Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a detailed narrative on wooden craft project ideas for furniture and decor that can be a fulfilling exploration of creativity, craftsmanship, and the potential for unique home enhancements. Collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking is not just a skill. It's an art form that allows individuals to express their personal style while creating functional and beautiful pieces for their homes. This narrative will delve into various aspects of woodworking, focusing on project ideas that marry functionality with aesthetic appeal, while highlighting the joy and satisfaction that comes from crafting with wood. When considering wooden craft projects for furniture and decor, it's essential to understand the versatility of wood as a material. Wood can be used in countless ways, allowing for an array of design possibilities. The tactile nature of wood, combined with its various grains, colors, and textures, makes it a favorite among crafters and designers alike. Whether you're using softwoods like pine or fir, or hardwoods like oak and walnut, each type of wood has its own character and charm that can influence the final product. Understanding these characteristics can help you make informed choices about which wood to use for your specific projects. The journey of creating wooden furniture and decor often begins with inspiration. Imagine walking into a home filled with unique, handcrafted pieces, a rustic coffee table that serves as a centerpiece, or a set of elegant shelves that display treasured books and decor items. These visions can spark your creativity, prompting you to envision how you can incorporate similar pieces into your own home or offer them for sale. The beauty of woodworking lies not only in the end product, but in the process of creating something that reflects your personal style and craftsmanship. Once you have a vision, the next step is to plan your projects. This involves visualizing the dimensions, shapes, and details of each piece you wish to create. Sketching designs can help you clarify your ideas and allow you to experiment with various forms. For instance, if you're considering building a dining table, think about the size that would best fit your space, the shape, rectangular, round, or oval, and the style, modern, traditional, or rustic, that aligns with your decor. During this planning stage, consider how the piece will be used and how it will interact with other elements in your home. Having the right tools is crucial for successfully executing your woodworking projects. Basic tools such as saws, drills, and sanders are essential for crafting furniture and decor. A table saw or circular saw can help you make precise cuts, while a jigsaw allows for more intricate shapes. A power drill is necessary for creating holes for screws or dowels, and a sander will ensure that your surfaces are smooth and ready for finishing. As you gain experience, you may choose to invest in more advanced tools, such as routers or planers, which can further enhance your capabilities and the quality of your work. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the ability to create custom furniture that meets specific needs. Take, for example, the idea of a coffee table. A handcrafted coffee table can be tailored in size, shape, and finish to perfectly suit your living space. You might choose to incorporate storage solutions, such as drawers or shelves, that add functionality while maintaining a sleek design. Using reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm and a sense of history to your piece, making it not just a functional item, but also a conversation starter in your home. In addition to furniture, wooden decor items can enhance your living space in unique ways. Wall art crafted from wood can add texture and interest to any room. Imagine creating a large statement piece that combines different types of wood, showcasing their natural grains and colors. This art piece could serve as a focal point in your living room, drawing attention and admiration from guests. The process of assembling and finishing a wooden wall art piece allows for creativity to flow, as you can experiment with various shapes, patterns, and finishes. Another great project involves building wooden shelves. Floating shelves, for example, can create a modern and minimalist look, while also providing a functional way to display books, plants, or decorative items. The process begins with selecting the right wood and determining the size and placement of the shelves. After cutting and sanding the wood, you can apply a finish that complements your decor. Installing these shelves can transform a blank wall into an attractive display area, adding both style and functionality to your home. As you explore the world of woodworking, consider the impact of finish on your projects. The finish can dramatically alter the appearance of wood, enhancing or muting its natural beauty. Stains, paints, and sealants can be used to achieve various looks, from a natural, rustic appearance to a sleek, modern finish. For instance, a dark stain can create an elegant and sophisticated look, while a light wash can evoke a more casual, airy feel. Experimenting with different finishes can be a fun part of the crafting process, allowing you to tailor each piece to fit your desired aesthetic. The process of crafting furniture and decor from wood also allows for the incorporation of mixed materials. Combining wood with metal, glass, or fabric can create stunning pieces that are both functional and visually appealing. For example, a wooden bench with metal legs can provide a contemporary touch, while a wooden frame with a glass top can create a unique coffee table. These combinations not only enhance the design but also add durability and versatility to your projects. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to crafting items for your own home, consider the commercial potential of your woodworking skills. Handmade furniture and decor are increasingly sought after in today's market, as consumers look for unique, high-quality pieces that reflect their individual styles. Selling your creations can be done through various avenues, including local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms. Establishing a strong online presence can help you reach a wider audience, allowing you to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. When it comes to selling your wooden crafts, storytelling is a powerful tool. Each piece you create has its own story, whether it's about the materials you used, the inspiration behind the design, or the craftsmanship involved in bringing it to life. Sharing these stories through your marketing can resonate with customers, making them feel more connected to your work. High-quality photographs that capture the details and beauty of your pieces are essential for attracting buyers. Consider staging your items in beautifully designed settings to help potential customers envision them in their own homes. Pricing your wooden crafts appropriately is another important aspect of selling. It's essential to factor in the cost of materials, tools, and labor when determining your prices. Researching similar products in the market can provide valuable insights into competitive pricing. However, it's crucial to avoid undervaluing your craftsmanship. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for unique, handmade products that reflect quality and care. As you delve deeper into woodworking, consider the importance of sustainability in your projects. Sourcing wood from reclaimed materials or responsible suppliers can set your crafts apart while also appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Incorporating upcycled wood into your designs not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to your creations. Highlighting these sustainable practices in your marketing can attract a customer base that values eco-friendly products. The sense of community among woodworkers can also be a source of inspiration and support. Engaging with other crafters through forums, workshops, or local clubs can provide valuable insights and foster a sense of camaraderie. Sharing techniques, tips, and experiences can enhance your skills and inspire new projects. Collaborating with other artisans can also lead to unique creations that blend different styles and materials, further expanding your creative horizons. In addition to crafting furniture and decor for sale, consider the potential for custom orders. Many customers appreciate the opportunity to work directly with a craftsman to create pieces that fit their specific needs and preferences. This could include custom sizes, finishes, or entirely unique designs. Offering customization can differentiate your business and attract a wider customer base seeking personalized solutions for their homes. The satisfaction of creating furniture and decor from wood is profound, as each piece tells a story of craftsmanship and creativity. The process of transforming raw materials into functional art is incredibly rewarding. For many, woodworking becomes a passion that brings joy and fulfillment, whether in personal projects or entrepreneurial pursuits. The feeling of seeing your creations find a place in someone's home, enhancing their space and lives, is a reward that goes beyond the financial aspects of selling. In the world of wooden craft, project ideas for furniture and decor offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression. From crafting unique furniture pieces to creating stunning decor items, woodworking allows individuals to transform their visions into reality. The combination of functionality and beauty found in handcrafted wooden items provides not only personal satisfaction but also the potential for a successful business venture. Embrace the journey of woodworking, explore new techniques, and let your imagination guide you in creating pieces that reflect your unique style and craftsmanship. The art of woodworking is not just about creating objects, it's about crafting experiences and memories that can be cherished for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Collaborating with other artisans can also lead to unique creations that blend different styles and materials, further expanding your creative horizons.